Hello everyone, Matias here. I'm just here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Tailscale in an LXC, a Linux container using the Proxmox Helper Scripts. First things first, just for my test, I'm going to go grab a Debian LXC using the Proxmox Helper Scripts. So let's see, I'll grab this one. 12 or 13 is going to be fine. So I'm going to do the default install. You can skip this step, but I'm just showing you how to get Tailscale active. We're going to do Tailscale up -SSH to get it all going. But once this is complete, we will install Tailscale on this Linux container in the Proxmox shell. So my plan is that this video is only just a few minutes so that you can just get right to it. All right, we are done setting up our Debian LXC. Let me just make sure it's on, and it is. So in the Proxmox shell, I'm going to go to the helper scripts, Tailscale. I'll put a link in the description right to this. So you can read this, but I'll just tell you. We're going to copy the command. We will go into the Proxmox shell. We will paste the command. We will hit Y and enter. And then you will use the keypad or your keyboard up and down and your space bar to put a star on wherever you want to install Tailscale. I'm going to do my container ID 103. I'm going to hit enter, and Tailscale is now installing. Tailscale is now installed, so we can see it gives us the directions: reboot the container, then run Tailscale up. So let me go to the container. There's other ways you can reboot the container. This is the easy way for me. So I'm going to hit reboot. All right, so I'm going to do Tailscale up -SSH. This just makes it really easy. Like when you're in Tailscale and you hit SSH, it just opens a window for you and does it all automatically. So you don't have to like go put in the IP address in your browser and play around with HTTP or HTTPS. So I like Tailscale up SSH. I've been using it almost exclusively. So I'm gonna grab this, and you just throw it in. I'm gonna throw it in over here in my other screen, and all I'm really gonna do is just sign in to my Tailscale account, and that'll authorize it. So I'm connecting, and all right, we see it's a success. I'm gonna reboot. You don't even have to reboot, you just go right to it. I'm just doing it because I'm acting extra. I'm gonna do Tailscale. So that's done. Then I'm gonna go to Tailscale. I'm gonna go to my Debian. So I'm actually just going to take a little screenshot and I'll show it to you. So we can see. I have the IP, which I'm not going to use. I have the Linux here, and then I have where it says SSH. I'm just going to click on that. So I'm going to start my SSH session. If you're having issues with it, just refresh the browser. That's something I had an issue, and I refreshed my browser, and it was fine after that. All right, and here I am in the Debian LXC right now. And honestly, this ends the video. I'm just going to do an apt upgrade, apt update, just to check everything out. But I'll be deleting this LXC. And thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. I hope this was a very short guide for you on setting up Tailscale. We're not going to need to use VE. We're not going to use DevNet 10 on Proxmox 9. And even when I tested on Proxmox 8, we were doing great with just these steps. So thank you and have a great day.